Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a video about Blockfi, which they are having a promotion and I want you to know about it. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And before we get started, I challenge you to the world largest keto challenge. So what is ketos? Ketos is a health supplementary drink which you can use it to improve your health, and after that stuff like this and much more. So basically, if you're interested in it, just click on the link down below. And after that, just watch the video, and after that you can learn what can ketos do for you. I would say it is very beneficial if you are a person that want to improve your health. And after that, let's say if you are young and basically right now on my age 22, I would say health is not really like as important as making money, to be very honest. But to be honest, health comes first, and after that, if you want to make lots of money, your health must be you must be healthy in order to make lots of money. So I would say ketones is a good investment if you are talking about health wise. So let's talk about Blockfi. And after that, on the title itself, you can see that you can get up to $660 for free. And after that, of course, there's terms and condition coming into it. And after that, I'm going to explain to you the ongoing promotion. And after that, how can you basically get paid to trade, and after that get the free $10 bonus. So let's talk about the free $10 bonus, which is much more easier to get. So basically, for every new friend, basically me, using my referral link down below, you can just click on it and after that sign up. And after that, you will need to deposit at least $100 worth of cryptocurrency onto your BlockFi interest account. And after that, you and I will receive a one-time bonus of $10 in Bitcoin, which is I would say free money just by holding on to your cryptocurrency. And after that, they pay you interest rates. So basically, let's say if you have Bitcoin and after that you want to deposit in, and right now they are paying 6% per annum, and for Ethereum is 4.5, and stablecoin 8.6. And after that, for Litecoin, which is 5%, which is not really a lot. And after that, to be honest, Ethereum is also not a lot. But for Bitcoin wise, I would say not the highest paying, but the most flexible, higher paying currently out there on Blockfi. I mean, compare with all the crypto exchange, the crypto earn on crypto.com, Celsius and stuff like this, the per annum rates that they're giving is 6%, and you do not need to lock up your money. And after that, how do you get qualified on this $10 bonus? Your friend will need to hold the qualifying balance until the following interest payment day to qualify both of us, you and me, to receive this $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. So basically, how does it work? So let's say you deposit today, which is the 11th of August, all the way till you will need to hold it until the first payment interest. So basically, next month on the 1st, they're going to issue out the interest that you have accumulated. So how does it look like? It's over here, accrued interest. It's going to show you the amount of Bitcoin that you have accumulated, and after that in the US dollar value. And after that, it's going to be here until the first day. You can see over here, interest accrued may reset prior to the actual payment on the first business day of the month. So first business day meaning on the Monday. So the next month on September, the first day is on Tuesday. So it is a working day, and you will receive your interest on the first day. And after that, it's going to be reflected over here, total interest paid. And after that, once you receive this, you will receive the $10 for free as well. So how does the $10 for free look like? Just give me a moment, I try to find it. So over here, you're gonna see it as a referral bonus. So I'm really thankful for the one person that signed up using my referral link, and after that depositing $100 worth of crypto, and holding on and receive your free Bitcoin, which I would say it is a very good option, totally for free, just by holding on to your crypto. And after that, let's talk about the main part, which is the huge money that involved in. So let's say if you are interested to get this $650 worth of cryptocurrency, I mean $650 free money just by trading. So how does it mean? How does it work? So for the tier 1, let's say if you have traded $1,000 worth of USDT or stablecoin up to 4,999.99, your payout will be $15 for free. So basically you receive $15 for trading the tier 1, and after that for tier 2 is 5k to 25k, and after that $65, and after that so on and so forth. I'm going to link this campaign down below. And after that, before you sign up or anything, just use the referral link and sign up, and after that just start trading. So how does it work is, once you have signed up your account and you want to trade, just click on the trade button, and after that yeah, over here, amount to sell, amount to buy. So basically this is how much US stable coin that you want to put in. And after that, how much which cryptocurrency you want to buy. So right now they're offering only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So you choose any one of them wisely, and after that you can choose the one time only option. If not, you can choose a daily or weekly or first of the month or every 15th of the month. And after that, if you choose first of the month, is a recurring trade is going to be executed between 10 a.m. Eastern time to 11:59. So depending on the rate of the price during this timing, it is going to execute a trade, and after that, yeah, basically do a recurring buying. And after that, I would say this is a good way to dollar cost average if you're interested in and you want to, let's say, buy Bitcoin every month. Yeah, basically you can just top up your balance. Like let's say your budget is 3K, you're gonna dollar cost average for, yeah, depending on how much that you're gonna buy. So let's say you're gonna do a dollar cost average of $200 monthly. It's gonna last you around 15 months, and after that, yeah, this is a good way for you to dollar cost average, and after that, a good way for you to hold all your assets on the platform itself and be able to, yeah, get these free payouts that they are offering right now. So what does it mean by payout 15? So if you're gonna do a trade, so right now if you're gonna do a trade over here, you buy up to $1,000 worth of crypto, US Tether, towards Bitcoin. So if you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you'll receive this $15 payout on, yeah, on your account. So over here, trade button, and after that, yeah, you must read the terms and conditions, initiate your first trades. To start trading, use the trade button on your dashboard. Blockfi offers ability to exchange cryptocurrency pairs between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USD coin, and Gemini dollar. Note that stablecoin to stablecoin trade is not qualified for the trade. So if you are gonna do something smart like this, yeah, basically like this is 1-to-1. So basically it is a flat offer exchange rate, and after that you will not receive it is not going to give you any incentive over here, because if they do this, yeah, it's going to be broken and exploited. And after that, to enable this recurring extra additional $10 worth, it's very simple. So just head over here, and if you want to receive this amount and let's say you're a whale, you can do the tier 4. You can buy 20k worth of Bitcoin for 5 days over here just by doing this, and after that just click on daily, and after that how much, 20,000, and after that you can do this for 5 days and accumulate, and you will receive this 650 for free. And after that, yeah, basically on the Blockfi trading there is no fees, and after that it is showing that they have a competitive pricing, and after that you pay for the price display for each trade, nothing more. So it's very transparent, and Blockfi uses Gemini as the primary custodian. So basically the prices that you're seeing over here on Blockfi, it is on Gemini exchange. So if you want to view for better rates or stuff like this, you can head over to Gemini, and after that use the advanced trade or stuff like this to see the price of Bitcoin and determine when you want to enter. Yeah, something like this. And after that, yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below. And after that, this promotion is ongoing till the 24th of August. So basically there's free money over here until the 24th of August, depending on your trade, how much you want to trade. And after that you can do, like, I don't know, maybe day trading on the platform itself, because there's no fee. I would say whatever you see there is what you get. And after that, yeah, you can buy sell up to $100,000 worth of cryptocurrency, total traded amount, and you will receive 650 for free if you're gonna do the recurring trades. If you want to do a market straight away, like execute a trade or something like this, the payout is going to be 640. So there's $660 that you can receive on Blockfi just by trading and signing up an account and storing up to storing $100 worth of cryptocurrency on the Blockfi interest account. So I would recommend, if you do not have if you do not want to trade on the exchange and you want to get this free $10, feel free, sign up, deposit $100 worth of crypto, and receive $10 at the end of the month. I would say the first day of the month, next month, you receive your interest rate, and after that the referral bonus. So free money. And after that, for trading wise, if you're interested, just sign up and trade, and you will receive, yeah, the payout, I would say, instantly. I'm not sure about that, but I'm gonna try to buy. try to get this $15 worth of payout, and after that, yeah. But right now the price of Bitcoin is going up, so I'm gonna wait and stuff like this. So I have till 24 August to play with this and receive some additional free money. So this is a way for you to grow your portfolio. And after that, basically that's the end of the video, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and thumbs up to this video, and of course share with your friends and family. And once again, I challenge you to the world largest keto challenge. Links down below. All the links that I mentioned is down below. Just click on it, and yeah, good luck. And after that, see you on the next video. Peace.